Fitbit is a popular fitness tracker that helps you monitor your health and wellness. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through how to use Fitbit to track various aspects of your health, from steps taken to heart rate monitoring. Set up your Fitbit device. Download the Fitbit app on your smartphone and create an account. Follow the on-screen instructions to pair your Fitbit device with the app via Bluetooth. Track your daily activity. Steps. Your Fitbit will automatically track your steps. View your daily, weekly, and monthly step counts in the app. Calories burned. Fitbit estimates your calorie burn based on your activity level, logged exercises, and heart rate. Distance. Fitbit also tracks the distance you've covered throughout the day. Monitor heart rate. Your Fitbit continuously monitors your heart rate, providing insights into your resting heart rate and active heart rate zones. Access detailed heart rate data in the app to monitor trends over time. Track sleep patterns. Wear your Fitbit while you sleep to track your sleep duration and quality. The app provides a breakdown of your sleep stages, light, deep, and REM, and gives you a sleep score. Log exercises and workouts. Use the app to log exercises like running, cycling, or weightlifting. Fitbit will track your heart rate, calories burned, and duration for each workout. Some Fitbit models have built-in GPS, allowing you to map your runs or hikes. Monitor weight and nutrition. Log your meals and snacks in the app to track your calorie intake. Pair your Fitbit with a smart scale to monitor weight and body fat percentage. Set health goals. Use the app to set goals for steps, active minutes, calorie burn, and more. Fitbit will provide daily and weekly progress reports to keep you motivated. Use the community features. Join challenges with friends or connect with other users for motivation and support. Tracking your health with Fitbit is a simple yet powerful way to stay on top of your fitness goals. For more health and tech tutorials, check my links below. Don't forget to like, comment, and consider subscribing to CyberTheo.